Biophilia is the concept of incorporating a love for nature into the design of built environments by incorporating elements such as greenery and natural components. By integrating biophilic design elements like indoor plants and natural patterns, the quality of air, airflow, circadian rhythm, heart rate, and overall human health can be improved. This type of design also stimulates visual connections and enhances the multi-sensory experience. Biophilic design trends include natural systems and the presence of water. Biophilic designs bring elements of nature, such as plants, sunlight, natural materials, and fresh air, into indoor spaces. Using plants to decorate your home is a great way to cleanse the air and enhance your overall health. What's even better is that you don't need a large area of land to do it. You can simply have a few potted plants hanging on your balcony or strategically placed throughout your house. If you're new to gardening, it's recommended to start with low-maintenance plants like succulents, cacti, and air plants. This will allow you to learn the basics of plant care and gardening. As you gain confidence, you can move on to more indoor gardening options such as calatheas, prayer plants, ferns, or even fiddle-leaf figs. Incorporate natural elements into your home using materials such as wood, clay, cork, rattan, and wool. These timeless materials not only add a unique aesthetic to your spaces, but also bring a sense of personality. Additionally, their eco-friendly nature and ability to be reused are added benefits. Pair them with reclaimed furniture or flooring to create a cohesive look. Consider adding a jute or cotton rug, as well as a stone side table to further enhance the natural feel.